Welcome to Vehicle Review World, your go-to channel for comprehensive car reviews, expert insights, and the latest updates on automobiles worldwide. Today, we're reviewing the 2025 BMW X5, a luxury SUV that continues to redefine excellence with its innovative features, dynamic performance, and premium design. The 2025 BMW X5 offers multiple engine options tailored to different driving needs. These include a turbocharged inline-six, a robust V8, and an efficient plug-in hybrid model. Each option balances power and efficiency, ensuring you get a thrilling driving experience without compromising fuel economy. The all-wheel drive system ensures optimal traction, whether on smooth highways or challenging terrains. Combined with an 8-speed automatic transmission, the X5 guarantees seamless gear transitions and impressive control. The exterior design of the 2025 BMW X5 is a perfect blend of elegance and modernity. A larger kidney grille and adaptive LED headlights add a striking presence to the vehicle's front profile. Sleek lines and aerodynamic enhancements not only improve efficiency but also contribute to its sophisticated appeal. For those looking for a sporty edge, the M Sport package includes exclusive design elements and upgraded performance features, making the SUV stand out further. Inside the 2025 X5, you'll find a luxurious and spacious cabin crafted with high-quality materials and attention to detail. The SUV can accommodate up to 7 passengers with its optional third-row seating, ensuring both comfort and functionality. Heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and customizable ambient lighting elevate the driving experience. At the center of the cockpit is the BMW curved display, featuring a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch touchscreen powered by the intuitive iDrive 8 system. This advanced system provides seamless access to navigation, media, and vehicle controls. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 BMW X5, with standard features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. The optional driving assistance professional package enhances safety with features like highway assist and traffic jam assistance, making long journeys easier and more enjoyable. Practicality meets versatility in the X5's cargo space. With rear seats folded, the SUV offers ample storage capacity for larger items, making it perfect for weekend getaways or family adventures. The plug-in hybrid variant adds an eco-friendly touch, delivering efficiency without sacrificing power or convenience. The 2025 BMW X5 sets a new standard in the luxury SUV market by combining cutting-edge technology, superior performance, and refined design. It's an ideal choice for those seeking a premium vehicle that excels in every aspect. Don't forget to subscribe to Vehicle Review